In this video, we're going to be talking about Cronos, also known as crypto.com, or even people know it as Crow. So yeah, we're going to be analyzing the price of Cronos, basically seeing where price is heading and if it has the potential to reach $1. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Cronos, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Cronos is pretty much bearish on the daily. You can see that we were pretty much moving towards the right side, pretty much consolidating, and then we had a huge drop, and then we came back up, tried to break past it, and then essentially we just dropped from there onwards. And you can see from the price action there, it looks like we slowly, gradually built ourselves back up, possibly even mitigated this region, and then price is probably heading back below, and possibly even make a new low. So yeah, we'll check into that in trading view in a few moments. You can see on the weekly that Crow is still overall looks overall bullish in my opinion, so it could have just been a pullback. But you can see here that we've had some major drops into the red zone, where pretty much bearish territory is. But if we check on the monthly, we can see here that it looks like an accumulation is being played out. You can see the SC, the selling climax, the secondary test, the spring, and then hopefully we're waiting for a retest, and then from then onward we could have some bullish intent coming through. But if we look on the quarterly, we're still overall bearish. You can see that we're in a very strong bear trend. Possibly even we did touch into this demand zone. So yeah, it's not looking too bad for Crow. But let's go over to the chart trading view and see what Crow is doing. So as you can see here, we're in a little pullback essentially. So yeah, you can see here we've made the high, and then low, and then lower high, and then lower low, and then lower high, and then possibly even approach another lower low to tap into this demand zone. And the main reason for this is a very strong demand zone, roughly around the 0.2293 and 0.1852. So that is a strong zone. But if we drop into the daily to have a bit more in-depth analysis, let me just drag this over. You can see that we're still overall in a bear trend, pretty much. You can see here we've had a break of structure towards the downside, and yeah, we had a break of structure and then another break of structure occurring. But we could possibly even target below this, as there is liquidity here, and then we could, the main very good demand zone is probably this area here. This is probably where price is likely to head in this bearish market, as but you gotta take everything into consideration, as the current market conditions of Bitcoin as well. So let's draw Fibonacci and see what on how price is. So if we draw our fib from this to here, we can see that it's pretty much respecting the 0.786 zones, which is really good. Possibly signs of reversal, but looking on the bearish side, so let's look at from the last high to the last low. So from the last lower high, which is this one, from the last lower low to this one, so you can see here that I respected the 0.61 region very well, possibly even indicating another move towards the downside. But yeah, it looks like we will possibly even be targeting this low of 0.2306. But this is excluding the fundamentals of Cronos. So if you know what news they're bringing out or anything, then fair enough, good enough investment for yourself. But if you're completely off trading, then this is what I would expect. Another move towards the downside, possibly even taking out this liquidity and this liquidity. So yeah, that's about it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. And